උපාධි පිරිනැමීම සඳහා 2011 වසරේ උපාධි ප්‍රදානෝත්සවයේ මෙම සැසිවාරය දැන් නැවත ආරම්භ කරමි.
வேந்தரமணி அவர்களே, உதவியின் விதப்புரையின் பேரில் கொழும்பு பல்கலைக்கழக பேரவை விஞ்ஞான பீடாதிபதியினால் சமர்ப்பிக்கப்படும் பெயர்களுடையோருக்கு நேர் சமூகத்திலும் சமூகமில்லாமலும் விஞ்ஞானமானி பட்டத்தினை வழங்குவதற்கு தீர்மானித்துள்ளமையை தங்களுக்கு அறிய தருகின்றேன்.
I declare the current session of the year 2011 convocation recommences for the conferment of degrees.
කුලපති තුමියනි, කොළඹ විශ්වවිද්‍යාලයේ පාලක සභාව සනාතන සභාවේ නිර්දේශය මත විද්‍යාපීඨයේ පීඨාධිපති විසින් උපස්ථිතියේ සහ අනුපස්ථිතියේ ඉදිරිපත් කරන ලබන බවතුන් වෙත විද්‍යාවේදී උපාධිය ප්‍රදානය කිරීමට තීරණය කොට ඇති බව ගෞරවයෙන් ප්‍රකාශ කර සිටිමි.
வேந்தரமணி அவர்களே, மூதவையின் விதப்புரையின் பேரில் கொழும்பு பல்கலைக்கழக பேரவை விஞ்ஞான பீடாதிபதியினால் சமர்ப்பிக்கப்படும் பெயர்களுடையோருக்கு நேர் சமூகத்திலும் சமூகமில்லாமலும் விஞ்ஞானமானி பட்டத்தினை வழங்குவதற்கு தீர்மானித்துள்ளமையை தங்களுக்கு பெருமையுடன் அறிய தருகின்றேன்.
Madam Chancellor, I have the honor to announce that the Council of the University of Colombo, on the recommendation of the Senate, has resolved that the degree of Bachelor of Science be conferred on those to be presented in person and in absentia by the Dean, Faculty of Science.
Madam Chancellor, I have the honor of introducing 459 proud science graduates from the Faculty of Science this year. They have successfully completed their 4-year degrees or 3-year degrees in the special degree or general degrees program in science degrees, out of which 51 of them have secured the first class degree in BSc, 54 of them have secured second class upper division degrees there, and 98 of them have graduated with the second class lower division. Madam Chancellor, that is over 44% of our science graduates are graduating this year with the first class or second class degrees. Let me introduce them to you now. Abeyratna WGPW, Abhevardhana SHPTA, Abhay Gunawardhana NGBS, Abhay Gunawardhana NGDK, Abhay Ratna EMCL, Abhay Ratna HMSR, Abhay Singha TI, Ajila T, Akalanka WAC, Akmimana JN, Alahakon AMBEB, Alvis NGPIS, Amarajiva RM AKG, Amarapati AMUS, Amarasena PJCC, Amarasena SAH, Amarasingha AACB, Amarasingha KGNS, Amarasingha MR, Amarasingha NS, Amaratunga P, Amunugama RM AIK, Henry SNL, Anuradha ADY, Anuradha TGD, Aravinda LSJ, Arsakularatna WN, Arulingamai, Asanga HDD, Asanta PG, Atalugama PR, Athanayaka AMPN, Balakumara T, Balasundaram K, Balasurya SP, Bamanu Arachi BGS, Basanayaka AW, Bernard VRA, Birutaban S, Bodhaka KHAB, Brahnavan K, Chamaka GLN, Chamara WAG, Chandrasekhara JMAJ, Chandrasekhara WSD, Chandrasiri MGRT, Chandravansa RNK, Chandrika G, Chaturamali KGM, Chaturadasi GT BG, Kure MSK, Costa TP, Dabare PR, Dabare GJV, Dahanayaka LLI, Dahanayaka HR, Dahanayaka JN, Dangampola NL, Dantanarayana DAD, Danuka WAD, Dasanayaka SB, Dayananda HGCD, the Abreu KH, De Silva HRT, De Silva DAPI, De Silva DPDC, De Silva HKP, De Silva KGGPAD, De Silva LMTU, De Silva MSM, De Silva MWTH, De Silva PKM, De Silva SRS, De Silva WABN, De Silva WHIA, De Silva WMAP, De Silva YRP, De Soisa ATC, Deduage CJ, Delpagoda DGSS, Desapriya DPC, Desmond PK, Devage KT, Dharmasri CM, Duvaratnam VG, Dias DMC, Dias DPNP, Dias KGH, Dias LSL, Dilhani KGMN, Dilushan KHH, Dinesh ELC, Disanayaka DMRL, Disanayaka DMRK, Disanayaka MDCB, Disanayaka NKW, Disanayaka S, Dodantana NS, Elesingha SM, Esuran B, Fernando BPM, Fernando CHAS, Fernando IPS, Fernando KJMR, Fernando MAID, Fernando MAL, Fernando MTN, Fernando WAM, Fernando WPP, Fonseca PFCS, Fonseca WSN, Gallage DPP, Gamage DNJ, Gamage HNK, Ganegoda PM, Ganesha Murthy S, Ganevatta MS, Gavaska P, Gayantika DMR, Geetanjali AAG, Govindaraj N, Gunaratna IN, Gunaratna KKTT, Gunaratna AGMJ, Gunasekara BATN, Gunasekara HADDH, Gunasekara PDN, Gunasena WAN, Gunasingha BD, Gunawardana BC, Gunawardana PAN, Gunawardana RDA, Hakim FZA, Hansika KKD, Hansika SPC, Hapuarachi HGK, Harishchandra SADA, Harsha PS, Hemamali AGC, Hemendra MACS, Herat HMN, Herat SUB, Hewamalage UL, Illupitiya IMM LB, Indika DN, Induchapa PGIM, Ires WA, Iroshani MS, Iroshani MA, Jagodage DE, Jayakodi JAHU, Jayalat DA, Jayalat JRPC, Jayaman TAM, Jayanetti KC, Jayaruk TC, Jayasekara APCS, Jayasekara DN, Jayasekara GSKW, Jayasekara KDDS, Jayasingha DPD, Jayasingha LAS, Jayasingha TM, Jayasundara MP, Jayatilaka MS, Jayatilaka NM DTM, Jayatissa HMSN, Jayawardhana NI, Jayawardhana WS, Jayaveera AAS, Jayavikrama SNV, Kahapola Arachi MS, Kahatagadiwela VP, Kahave Vitana VP, Kajan N, Kalansuriya P, Kalubovila KDRN, Kalupahana MH, Kamal TG SD, Kamburugamua KL ASN, Kahadana Arachi I, Kanangara KKTI, Kanangara YY, Kantruba R, Kapukotuwa KWSC, Karyavasam GK, Karyavasam KKGDUL, Kartika M, Karunaratna GKHB, Karunaratna MHS, Karunathunga GN, Karunaratna KMSB, Karunaratna KRY, Karunathilaka DSI, USI, Kasturi D, Kaushalya AGG, Kaushalya PGD, Kallapatha AB, Kobbakaduwa KPVB, Koralage TD, Krishni R, Kularatna DGIS, Kularatna GRHS, Kulasekara DMR, Kulatilaka TRDD, Kulathunga KMJ, Kumara HDHC, Kumara THAC, Kumara GS, Kumarasiri PJ, Kumarasiri SDN, Kunalan R, Kurukula Surya NS, Lakmal DKD, Lakmal MKR, Lakmali KMN, Lakmali WHC, Lakmini KU, Lakmini MC, Lakrandi KN, Lamahewa RD, Lankapura TM, Lianagamage SDK, Lianage GK, Lianage JDP, Lianage S, Lianage PLTS, Liana Patranel, Liana Arachi HL, Lokuhel PTYC, Lokupiti HN, Madanayaka VK, Madhushani TAW, Madhubhashini JD, Madhubhashini KWS, Madhubhashita DWP, Madhusani AS, Madhumali K, Madhushan PAP, Madhushani KNRAK, Madhushanka URP, Madhusanka WKS, Mahesh RLP, Maharuf FR, Malinda BVK, Malit DDA, Manamperi WR, Mantri Ratna MATP, Mapatuna PT, Mapatuna WL, Mayaduna DGK, Mayuri M, Meedeniye MMMSD, Mendis MAIK, Muhandiram KMTS, Munasinghe DCG, Nadishani KWN, Nanayakara AK, Nanayakara NDAI, Nanayakara NWKTR, Navaratna SDB, Nayakaratna NMCK, Nilanti MKP, Nimesha UAT, Nirmala Kanna K, Nirupa N, Nisansala UKK, Nivanti WAL, Ocean DADP, Oshani DK, Panduwawala TD, Patividana AN, Piris BAR, Piris MDAR, Piris PI, Pereira ADHK, Pereira GAPR, Pereira GKSS, Pereira GRC, Pereira HAGS, Pereira KM, Pereira KRS, Pereira LAS, Pereira MAMN, Pereira NCJ, Pereira PLMN, Pereira RASM, Pereira TNS, Pereira WAC, Pereira WADNS, Pereira WDU, Pereira VKS, Figueira ASAD, Pradeep BNP, Prasad LGP, Prasadini HK, Prematilaka HU, Priyabani KHH, Priyadarsani S, Priyadarsani WMM, Priyalanka IGD, Priyanjala JPL, Priyanka KHD, Priyankara KGDS, Priyasad SLB, Priyasanka WRASN, Rahman ARF, Rajagopal K, Rajapaksa RVDUP, Rajapaksa ACK, Rajapaksa IN, Rajapaksa KM, Rajapaksa RRLUI, Rajadeva RM API, Ramanayaka RADNK, Ramja S, Ranasinghe HPNP, Ranasinghe RMULI, Ranavira KKDTT, Randeniya R, Randeniya RADB, Rangama RASK, Rangana PAK, Ranganath NHDD, Rantilaka PRGIA, Rasanganiya KPA, Ratagirushan R, Ratnasekara RP PP PLPGC, Ratnasiri LRC, Ratnayaka RMYS, Ratnayaka GI, Ratnayaka LR, Ratnayaka NR MKND, Ratnayaka RMCD, Ratnayaka RMK, Ratuvadu NPW, Ratnasinghe RMAI, Ratnayaka MN, Ravindranathn A, Ravisankar S, Rausi N, Rodrigo UDP, Rubasinghe RMK, Ruberu TDL, Ruchiranga WHB, Rukshan PKR, Shafaya MN, Samaranatna NDS, Samarasinghe IHK, Samarasinghe SMV, Samarathunga SMITM, Samaravira GP, Samaravikrama GP, Samira GHBN, Sandakalum DB, Sandamal JMC, Sandaruvani WN, Sanjeeva HGS, Sanjeeva SAN, Sanjeevani WADS, Sankapala KW DU, Sankalpani DWS, Savinda KSA, Selvantiran U. Senanayaka CL. Senaviratna KWL. Senaviratna MASAR. Senaviratna KDTH. Senaviratna VAA. Sevandi TAK. Shashidrani PADK. Silva ACC. Silva ERMD. Silva GLMD. Silva KRG. Sirinanda MN. Siripala KRR. Sirivardhana WKKD. Sirivardhana EMD. Sirivardhana SU. Sirivardhana HMTM. Sivatani S. Somaratna HKS. Somaratna MBCL. Srimal DKA. Sri Skandaraja S. Sugandhan T. Suraj KA. Suramya GKS. Tantri Mudalige SN. Tenakon TMMK. Tenakon TMPM. Taraka SAT. Taiwan IT. Tenuwara TTK. Tilakaratna BP. Tilakaman Raj P. Tirimanna THSR. Trikavala SU. Udara WKS. Udayanga DMN. Udayanga MDI. Udayanga PVW. Udukamasuri IK. Uyangoda DC. Wayangani SPA. Vinod SJ. Walpola WSM. Vanasundara WMNP. Vanika Ratna I. Vanyarachi TS. Vanyarachi WKEA. Varnasurya MBRS. Vatsala HVS. Veerakon CS, Veerasena PAIL, Veerasinghe HWKM, Veerasinghe IN, Veerasinghe N, Veerasurya WMDN, Veeratunga LC, Veeravansa WMMA, Veeravardhana KLDM, Veeragoda Arachi ND, Vikramarachi WPTM, Vikramasinghe PM, Vikramasinghe RP, Vikramasuriya S, Vikramasuriya SL, Vijay Kumar RNH, Vijay Ratna DGI, Vijay Ratna SM, Vijay Singhe WAWN, Vijay Kon EMAPK, Vijay Ratna AMEA, Vijay Ratna PB, Vijay Singhe JPJM, Vijay Singhe MS, Vijay Singhe WM SV, Vijay Singhe WA, Vijay Sundara HBSA, Vijay Vardhana MGSN, Vijay Vardhana WGIM, Vijay Vikrama BN, Vimala Sena LWIM, Vipula Guna MAS, Vitarana DWLL, Yapake S, thank you. Can we have a round of applause to all of them?
කුලපති වශයෙන් මෙම සැසිවාරයෙහි මා වෙත පැවරී ඇති බලතල අනුව දැන් නම් කරන ලද භවතුන් වෙත විද්‍යාවේදී උපාධිය ප්‍රදානය කරමි.
தற்போதைய அமர்வுக்கான வேந்தர் என்னும் தகமையில் என குறித்தளிக்கப்பட்டுள்ள அதிகாரத்தினால் தற்பொழுது வாசிக்கப்பட்ட பெயர்களை உடையோருக்கு விஞ்ஞானமானி பட்டத்தினை வழங்குகின்றேன்.
By authority vested in me as the Chancellor for the current session, I confer upon those whose names have been read the degree of Bachelor of Science.
කුලපතිතුමියනි, කොළඹ විශ්වවිද්‍යාලයේ පාලක සභාව සනාතන සභාවේ නිර්දේශ මත පරිගණක ආයතනයේ අධ්‍යක්ෂ විසින් උපස්ථිතියේ සහ අනුපස්ථිතියේ ඉදිරිපත් කරන ලබන බවතුන් වෙත පරිගණක විද්‍යාවේදී උපාධිය, තොරතුරු හා සංනිවේදන තාක්ෂණවේදී උපාධිය, විද්‍යාවේදී පරිගණක විද්‍යා උපාධිය සහ තොරතුරු සහ සංනිවේදන තාක්ෂණ විද්‍යා උපාධිය ප්‍රදානය කිරීමට තීරණය කොට ඇති බව ගෞරවයෙන් ප්‍රකාශ කර සිටිමි.
வேந்திரமணி அவர்களே, மூதவையின் விதப்புரையின் பேரில் கொழும்பு பல்கலைக்கழக பேரவை கொழும்பு பல்கலைக்கழக கணனிக்கல்வி நிறுவன பணிப்பாளரினால் சமர்ப்பிக்கப்படும் பெயர்களையுடையோருக்கு நேர் சமூகத்திலும் சமூகமில்லாமலும் கணனி விஞ்ஞானமானி பட்டத்தினையும் தகவல் தொடர்பாடல் தொழில்நுட்பமானி பட்டத்தினையும் கணனி விஞ்ஞானத்தில் விஞ்ஞானமானி பட்டத்தினையும் மற்றும் தகவல் தொடர்பாடல் தொழில்நுட்பவியல் விஞ்ஞானமானி பட்டத்தினையும் வழங்குவதற்கு தீர்மானித்துள்ளமையை தங்களுக்கு பெருமையுடன் அறியத் தருகின்றேன்.
Madam Chancellor, I have the honor to announce that the Council of the University of Colombo, on the recommendation of the Senate, has resolved that the degree of Bachelor of Computer Science, the degree of Bachelor of Information and Communication Technology, the degree of Bachelor of Science in Computer Science, and the degree of Bachelor of Science in Information and Communication Technology be conferred on those to be presented in person and in absentia by the Director, University of Colombo School of Computing.
Chancellor, I have the honor in presenting 220 graduates from University of Colombo School of Computing, completing 4 degree programs. I will first present 104 students who are completing the degree of Bachelor of Computer Science. Abhevardhana MC. Anuruddha WD. Aryadasa SHSU. Aryaratna WRC. Aryaratna HDSP. Alsakuru SDJMN. Balala LJMNV. Bandara SMKGNP. Bandara WMJ. Basnayaka BMDC. Bogahawata KV. Chandrasiri JPGP. Chaturanga RID. Dahanayaka SDD. Dantaka AC. Dasanayaka PBD. Danushka IMS. Dharmapala AGVP. Dharmasiri AGDR. Dharmavardhana DASS. Dasanayaka WDSM. Disanayaka DMKMK. Disanayaka DMTP. Disanayaka DTAUC. Disanayaka SS. Ekanayaka EMKU. Eranga GAC. Fernando DR. Gajanayaka ASH. Guru Singha AI. Gunasekara AJP. Gunasekara M. Gunasingha GGKC. Gunatilaka MCV. Gunatilaka WATD. Hettigoda SP. Jayaratna DWD, Jayasingha ML, Jayasingha PDK, Jeevasiri NDNP, Kalanasapun AW, Karunaratna WM UK, Karunatilaka USSN, Keshan R, Kulasekara DKS, Kulasiri KNR, Kumara KGCS, Kurera JAMM, Lakmali WI, Lankapura MAPS, Lasanga KHJ, Liyanage TLNS, Madhuranga KLM, Madhushan SMT, Maulana MMSM, Nanayakara DAN, Niroshini D, Niroshan AAK, Nuwandeepa SHI, Pannala PAIU, Patinayaka KKCM, Patiratna CTK, Piris SDM, Premadasa KCARK, Paragatratna S, Prasad AVN, Primesha SPG, Priyalal W, Priyanka KBK, Pushpakumara WML, Ranchi Darin JAT, Rajapaksa TC, Rajapaksa DN, Ranasingha RMPI, Ranjit SKS, Ratnayaka DMSP, Ratnayaka RDT, Rupasingha HN, Rupasingha RAVU, Ruan Heva MS, Samil FM, Samira JS, Samit UHS, Sasikaran B, Senarat SB, Seniviratna NKWC. Shamesha AS. Silva MHLR. Sirisena AGUS. Sodimana KS. Sriyani MH. Suranji JTS. Swarnasiri HTHA. Veeratunga SD. Veeravansa GI. Vikramasinghe WMA. Vikramaratna BRGKN. Vijayabandara HIS. Vijayawardhana AD. Vijayakon WMA. Vijayaratna ANDB. Vijay Singha ST. Vijay Tunga WMEL. And Vitana TR. Next, I will present 59 graduates completing degree of Bachelor of Information and Communication Technology. Abhay Dheera TL. Abhay Vikrama NT. Bandara WMSK. Chandimal SKAST. Dangalla PJC. Darshani WKA. Deshapriya LBC. Disanayaka DMKS. Gayatri J. Gunasekara JDPC. Herath HMKM. Herath HMRSK. Hevage NI. Ishara DGAR. Jais SAM. Jayalat UA. Jayanga GDJP. Jayaratna KGD. Jayaratna MKAM. Jayasingha MC. Jayasingha NHVS. Jayawardhana US. Kannangara NWDTS. Kapukotuwa KMEL. Karunaratna AC. Kaumadi PLG. Kavita S. Kodituappu KMDS. Kuda Gallage S. Lianage RMU. Mambulla DTOT. Mendis RM. Mudun Kotwa DDN. Nishani HDM. Nihari MMM. Paliyaguru IS. Paranamana K. Patirana AMK. Patirana HPMB. Pavitra K. Pereira MID. Prasad MGK. Rajasingha RMDP. Ratnayaka RMHKK. Whistler SHF. Roshan M. Seniviratna TS. Sanoj MJM. Silva T DTA. Sirinuan KDU. Sumanasekara RIBKR. Taranga GAD. Tushara GS. Vishwajit HAN. Vitanage WVKG. Veeraratna WAPRP. Veerasingha WPMM. Vijayasingha UDMM. And Vijayasingha WMBM. Next I will present 39 graduating from degree of Bachelor of Science in Computer Science. Ariyaratna KPDU. Aslam MAM. Ayesha KHA. Bandara HMDM. Boteju GJR. Dharmakirti DDDLK. Eranga GD. Fernando MBKS. Fernando WKBAK. Fernando WVAHR. Gunawardhana M. Gunawardhana YP. Algas Vartha T. Harshana DLL. Isuru KWK. Akaran M. Tarunaratna AN De Silva. Lakmal K. GG. Liyanage USS. Mahavatta MDWS. Manuranga HKDS. Matugama MP. Matugama MV. Morimada MMIJD. Naduva KP. Pereira WDC. Rajakaruna AKN. Rajapaksa AS. Ratna Siri MYUL. Ratnayaka AM. Sudasingha PG. Tantariwatta TAMC. Upatissa DPTD. Vaidyanathan UM. Vanigasekara N. Vikramasingha WM BN. Vijay Surya VB. Vijay Vikrama GM. And Yasoda RGS. Next I will present 18 graduates completing degree of Bachelor of Science in Information and Communication Technology. Chandrasiri YGSP. Chandra Tilaka AMTC BC. Kure KGKH. Dialvis PCS. Dias DMP. Dilhari KLV. Ambuldenia EADI. Ilanga Singha TB. Jayatilaka HPD. Kularatna N. Mahendra CI. Pavitrani ADS. Priyadigama AA. Rajapaksa SRB. Sanjeeva PAU. Sivapalan S. Veerasekara KKG. Veerasingha WMKG. Thank you.
මා වෙත පැවරී ඇති බලතල අනුව දැන් නම් කරන ලද භවතුන් වෙත පරිගණක විද්‍යාවේදී උපාධිය, තොරතුරු හා sannivedana තාක්ෂණවේදී උපාධිය, විද්‍යාවේදී පරිගණක විද්‍යා උපාධිය සහ තොරතුරු සහ sannivedana තාක්ෂණ විද්‍යා උපාධිය ප්‍රදානය කරමි.
தற்போதைய அமர்வுக்கான வேந்தர் எனும் தகமையில் எனக்கு உரித்தளிக்கப்பட்டுள்ள அதிகாரத்தினால் தற்பொழுது வாசிக்கப்பட்ட பெயர்களுடையோருக்கு கணனி விஞ்ஞானமானி பட்டத்தினையும் தகவல் தொடர்பாடல் தொழில்நுட்பமானி பட்டத்தினையும் கணனி விஞ்ஞானத்தில் விஞ்ஞானமானி பட்டத்தினையும் மற்றும் தகவல் தொடர்பாடல் தொழில்நுட்பவியல் விஞ்ஞானமானி பட்டத்தினையும் வழங்குகின்றேன்.
By authority vested in me as the Chancellor for the current session, I confer upon those whose name have been read the degree of Bachelor of Computer Science, the degree of Bachelor of Information and Communication Technology, the degree of Bachelor of Science in Computer Science, and the degree of Bachelor of Science in Information and Communication Technology.
කුලපති තුමියනි කොළඹ විශ්වවිද්‍යාලයේ පාලක සභාව සනාතන සභාවේ නිර්දේශය මත මම විසින් ඉදිරිපත් කරනු ලබන බවතුන් වෙත ඔවුන් විසින් දක්වන කුසලතා මත රන් පදක්කම් සහ ත්‍යාග ප්‍රදානය කිරීමට තීරණය කොට ඇති බව ගෞරවයෙන් ප්‍රකාශ කර සිටිමි.
வேந்திரமணி அவர்களே, மூதவையின் விதப்புரையின் பேரில் கொழும்பு பல்கலைக்கழக பேரவை அதி உயர் திறமைகளை வெளிப்படுத்திய பின்வருவோருக்கு தங்கப் பதக்கங்களையும் பரிசுகளையும் வழங்குவதற்கு தீர்மானித்துள்ளமையை தங்களுக்கு பெருமையுடன் அறியத் தருகின்றேன்.
Madam Chancellor, I have the honor to announce that the Council of the University of Colombo, on the recommendation of the Senate, has resolved that the gold medals and prizes be awarded to those to be presented for having achieved the highest standard of excellence. Faculty of Science. Professor B.A. Abhay Vikrama Award for Plant Sciences, K.R.R. Siripala. Dr. Swarna Senathiraja Memorial Prize for Genetics and Plant Breeding, P.L. M.M. Pereira. Professor B.A. T.D. Silva Memorial Prize in Plant Sciences, P.L. M.M. Pereira. Sir Nigel Board Award for Plant Sciences, GSKW Jayasekar. Professor P.C. Sabadikari Award for Plant Sciences, K.R.Y. Karunaratna. The Ghulam Hussain A.J. Nurbai Gold Medal for the Best Student specializing in Zoology, A. Arulingam. The Ghulam Hussain A.J. Nurbai Gold Medal for the Best Zoology Research Project, S.U. Trikavala. The P.B. Karunaratna Memorial Gold Medal for Ornithology, non-qualified. The Field Ornithology Group Gold Medal for Ornithology, non-qualified. Bikaji Ramaji Khan Gold Medal for Chemistry, SADA Harishchandra. Dharmachandra and Tamarasa Gunawardana Memorial Gold Medal for Analytical Chemistry, WKKD Sirivardhana. Professor Perlin Pereira Memorial Gold Medal for Physical Chemistry, KMASR Senaviratna. Professor R.S. Ramakrishna Gold Medal for Inorganic Chemistry, P. Kalan Surya. Gold Medal in Organic Chemistry jointly awarded to SADA Harishchandra and C.L. Senaratna. Professor Stanley Vijayasundara Memorial Gold Medal for Biochemistry and Molecular Biology, G. Chandrika. The Ghulam Hussain A.J. Noorbai Gold Medal for Biochemistry and Molecular Biology, G. Chandrika. Senaka Bibile Medal in Pharmacology, S. Ganeshamurthy. The Ghulam Hussain A.J. Noorbai Gold Medal for Pharmacy, K.M.J. Kulatunga. Dr. C.A. Hevavitarna Memorial Prize for Physics, H.W.K.M. Veerasinghe. Mailwagana Memorial Award for Physics, H.W.K.M. Veerasinghe. The Ghulam Hussain A.J. Noorbai Gold Medal for the Best Physics Research Project, jointly awarded to W.S.N. Fonseca and A.M.E.A. Vijayaratna. Mr. A.G.W. Pereira Memorial Gold Medal for Engineering Physics, non-qualified. Dharmadasa Puncheva Memorial Prize for Mathematics, W.A.L. Nivanti. Douglas Amarasekara Prize for the Best Student in Mathematics, W.A.L. Nivanti. Mr. and Mrs. D.P. Apasinghe Memorial Gold Medal for Mathematics, non-qualified. The Ghulam Hussain A.J. Noorbai Gold Medal for the Best Student Specializing in Mathematics, W.A.L. Nivanti. Mr. and Mrs. V.W. Samarnayaka Memorial Gold Medal for Statistics, G.I. Ratnayaka. Gold Medal for the Best Final Year Project in Statistics, D.N. Jayasekara. Professor V.K. Samarnayaka Memorial Gold Medal for the Best Students of the Statistics with Computer Science, D.N.J. Gamage. Best Final Year Project of the Statistics with Computer Science, D.N.J. Gamage. Gold Medal for Industrial Statistics, M.P. Jayasundara. Gold Medal for the Best Final Year Project in Industrial Statistics, A.C.K. Rajapaksa. The award for the Best Student in the BSc General Degree in Biological Science, R. Randhaniya. The award for the Best Student in the BSc General Degree in Physical Science, non-qualified. Kumaraswamy Prize, R. Randhaniya. Joseph Nallaya Arumugam Memorial Award, G.I. Ratnayaka. Justin Samarasekara Award for the Most Outstanding Science Students of the Year, MP Jayasundara. University of Colombo School of Computing. David Pires Group Gold Medal for the Best Performance in Industrial Training ICT, HPD Jayatilaka. Motorola Academic Excellence Award for the Best Performance in ICT 3-year degree, WKA Darshani. IFS Academic Excellence Award for the Best Performance in ICT 4-year degree, SRB Rajapaksa. Sampath Bank Award for the Best Final Year Project ICT, KKG Veerasekara. Professor V.K. Samarnayaka Medal for the Most Outstanding Graduate of the UCSC, V.B. Vijaysurya. David Pires Group Gold Medal for the Best Performance in Industrial Training, CS, M.E. Mathugama. Virtusa Academic Excellence Award for the Best Performance in Computer Science, MS Ruanheva. Professor Mohan Munasinghe Award for the Computer Studies, YP Gunavadana. Syntech Award for the Best Final Year Project, CS, jointly awarded to TA MC Tantrivatta. And N. Vanigasekara. Thank you, Madam.
කොළඹ විශ්වවිද්‍යාලයේ 2011 වර්ෂයේ සඳහා වූ උපාධි ප්‍රදානෝත්සවයේ මෙම සැසිවාරය කල්තබනු ලැබූ බව ප්‍රකාශ කරමි.
கொழும்பு பல்கலைக்கழக 2011ஆம் ஆண்டிற்கான பட்டமளிப்பு வைபவத்தின் தற்போதைய அமர்வு இத்தால் பிற்போடப்படுகிறது என தெரியப்படுத்துகின்றேன்.
I now declare the current session of the year 2011 convocation of the University of Colombo adjourned.